Hi students, good morning. So we are coming from VR Academy. So once again we are welcome to the VR Academy. So today we are discussing the important bits regarding cell theory or cell organisms. So these are the most important bits regarding all the competitive exams. I hope if you are please kindly subscribe, like and share our channel and encourage to us, then we will provide more videos. The first question, sequence of living organisms. So the sequence, first cell, tissue, organ, organic system and organism. So this is the most important. Sometimes they are asking question in the sequence. So they are giving the options in sequence. So you have to write the choice, right choice. You have to select that one. Next, who was the first to discover cell? Robert Hooke was the first to discovered a dead cell in the era of 1965. Okay. So next, the question number 3, the father of the bacteria. Who was the father of bacteria? So the father of bacteria and protista is discovered Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. The next question, the study of cell is called so cytology. Next question, the study of tissue is called histology. Next question. Cell is it is a structural and fundamental unit of all living organisms. The living organisms are building block of the cells. These are structural and functional units of the all living organisms. Next question. The biggest cell in the world, ostrich egg. The smallest cell in human body, that is the sperm cell or gamete. Next one, the biggest plant cell, xylem cell. So the xylem cell is always transport of the water from bottom to at the top of the tree. The next question, who was discovered living cells? The living cells are discovered the first time Anthony Leeuwenhoek with the help of microscope. He was the father of the microscope also in 1674. Who was discovered nucleus? The nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown in the year of 1831. The next question, who was the father of microbiology? Microscope. So the microscope are discovered first and used to discovery of the living organisms, Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. The next question, cell theory was proposed by Thailander Swan and Huygens in 1838. Who was explained modern cell theory? So Rudolf Virchow, because these two people in 1838, these two scientists are discovered the cell theory. It explains cell theory, but it does not explain how the cell division will take place. So these scientists are explained the cell division will take place. The existing cells are developed. So next question, how many types of cells? These are two types of cells. One is the prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. So what is meant by prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells? Example of prokaryotic cells are amoeba and diatoms. Example of eukaryotic cells, plants, animals and fungi. Who was the first person introduced the name of species? So he was a John Ray. Next, the father of embryology. Who is the father of embryology? So Theophrastus. The next question, basic taxonomy category is species. Next question. The largest group of animal kingdom are arthropoda. The next question. Who was the father of microbiology? So Anthony Leeuwenhoek. He discovered protista and bacteria. The next question. Father of microscope, Van Leeuwenhoek. DNA was discovered by, the next one, DNA was discovered by Watson and Crick. You have the DNA have the double helix shape. The genes are made up of DNA. Mitochondria are absent in. So either plant cells or animal cells, there must be have the mitochondria, but that cyanobacteria, single cell organism, the first single cell organism are cyanobacteria. The cyanobacteria does not have the mitochondria. The next question. Correct order of the heredity. So first kingdom, division, phylum, genes and spice. Next question. Fungi does not contains chlorophyll. The fungus does not contain the chlorophyll. The next question. The genetic material in virus is RNA or DNA and one nucleic acid. Next question. Cell membrane or cell plasma membranes are was made up of the lipids and proteins. That is the most important question also. Next, which one is called suicide bags? Lysosomes is called suicide bags. The next question. Rough endoplasmic rectum is concerned with protein synthesis. The most abundant element in the cytoplasm is water. 90% of water is present in the cytoplasm. Next question. Protoplasm is a colloidal solution. The next question. What is the nucleosis is? So rounders structure inside of the nucleus and having rRNA. Next question. Which organism is the cell other than nucleus contains DNA? So the right answer is the mitochondria. The next question. Which are found in both plants and animal cells? The cell membranes, cytoplasm and mitochondria. Both are either plants or animals, they must be contains these three. Next. In which cell does not have nucleus? RBC. Red blood cells does not have the nucleus. The next question. Which is called control center of the cell? So that is the nucleus. Nucleus is the master of the cell. It will store all the genetic informations and all these things and have controlled what are the organelles are present in the cell. He is a master. Next, which organelles are called semi-auto or autonomous organelles? So mitochondria and chloroplast, these are the semi-auto anomalous. Next question. The plasma membrane is semi-membranes because the plasma membranes is acting, it is collecting some of the substances and which substances are not required, it will passing through the membrane. So it selected materials only allowed inside, so it does not allow all the inside materials and you should not throw out the plasma membranes. That is the main thing. Mitochondria are present both in vegetative and reproductive cells. The next question. The, the cell garbage disposal are lysosomes. The lysosomes are prepare the enzymes. The enzymes are breakdown of the proteins, carbohydrates, amino acids. All these things are the breakdown, and the waste product is collecting and passing through the lysosomes. Next question. Which part of the is responsible for breaking down and digest things? So that is the lysosomes. Then we are discussing before. Next question. Which organelle does not present in bacteria? So the bacteria does not contain both RNA and ribosomes, or does not have in bacteria. The next question. Folding of inner membrane of the mitochondria are called cristae. The next question. 70th type of ribosomes are found in prokaryotic cells and chloroplast and mitochondria. The next question. Aerobic respirations takes place in. So the aerobic respirations are takes place in presence of oxygen. The next question. The end product of anaerobic respirations, these are called, aerobic respiration is water, carbon dioxide and 38 ATP, adenine triphosphate energy. In which process glucose is completely oxidized? That is the aerobic respiration. So complete of the glucose are utilized. So the bottom of this one, the animal cell, you please find all the organelles are present inside of the cell. This is the structure of the cell. So my dear students, I hope this one you like. If you are like, please kindly subscribe, like and share our channel and encourage to us. Then we prepare more videos for your paper purpose. Thank you very much.